or hot?
It's hot.
Huh? Hot? Ay.
No, can you taste?
No.
No?
Maybe this one is not allowed to eat. Can we try to taste?
See how much good.
Huh?
Look good, na?
Yeah. So why it suddenly stop? It's still raining now. Guys, here in Abu Dhabi, it's raining now. Why raining? Maybe the weather will change now from cold to hot. Huh? Guys, umuulan po ng ice, yellow dito ngayon sa Abu Dhabi. Aray! This is my first time to see ice raining.
This is your first time or yeah? Yeah.
Grabe, ang daming ice. But why like this, my friend? Maybe in the sky it's already melting the ice there. Maybe it's hot.
The sky is melting.
No, it's hot because maybe it's hot is coming now.
Yeah, because climatic.
The climate change. Sa mga igan, too much ice. I will oh my gosh. This is the first time that I touch. See, it's can I get more? See, it's really nice.
It's ice.
Yeah, see. My friend. I will get more.
Ice.
So
No, can you taste?
no.
No?
Maybe this one is not allowed to eat. Can we try to taste?
See how much good.
Huh?
Look good, na?
Yeah. So why it suddenly stop? It's still raining now. Guys, here in Abu Dhabi, it's raining now. Why raining? Maybe the weather will change now from cold to hot. Huh?
No, you can't say.
If the weather will change, it will rain. Before also from hot to cold weather to winter, also raining. Now again, summer is approaching, so it's raining also from cold to hot. So the weather will change.
Summer already gone. He will not come.
Yeah. See guys, it's still raining. Yan. Okay guys, at thank you and bye. Bye for now.